Selokhu inenjalo imvula lapha kusukela ngesonto eledlule. Lokhu sekholele ekutheni kuvalwe ngisho imigwaqo engenela kuleli paki.
For the past few days, we've been experiencing high levels of rainfall. Obviously, we had some rainfall earlier in December, so the ground is already quite saturated. To date, most of the impact has been in the far north of the park. And as a precautionary measure, earlier in the week, many of the remote bush camps, the camps such as Battalier, Sereni, were evacuated. Guests were accommodated elsewhere.
Izivakashi ebezilele ematendeni sezibhaciswe kwezinye indawo. Ipaki likhiphe isexwayiso sokuthi labo abangakwazi ukuhlehlisa uhambo lwabo olulibangise kuleli paki balihlehlise.
Yeah, we had a weather warning from the place where we were staying last night saying that there's going to be severe storms. But in my experience, whenever I listen to that, it never happens. So we kind of decided to risk it today. And so far, our experience has been absolutely amazing.
Absolutely love the park. It's awesome. This weather is in no way ruining our trip.
Kunxuswe zonke izivakashi eziza kuleli paki ukuthi zingaweli amabhuloho agcwele amanzi. Kulindeleke ukuthi liqhubeke nokuyidliva kulezi insuku ezizayo. Izangoma zezulu iSouth African Weather Service bakhiphe isexwayiso esiphuzi sesigaba sesishiyagalolunye semvula ezingxenyeni zaseMpumalanga naseLimpopo.